This is Dominic Candelaria with ABC 7NY. Today I'm going to try out Camp Cheap off-course track on the New York Auto Show.
We are in the all-new redesigned 2018 Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon Edition. First up is the Brago. The Rubicon's the only one to keep all 4 tires on the ground. And that's because we can electronically disconnect the sway bar from the pushing button up here. And now this off-camber is just going to test how well our Jeep handles on even surfaces. All 4 tires are at a different height, but it does try to keep us pretty level in here. So you just feel like we're moving too far to one side. Touch us down nice and easy. Now we're going to test ground clearance by driving up the stairs. We have 10.8 inches of it. We're making it up just fine. It's a little bumpy in here.
Bumpy right here. Good thing for the seatbelt.
Oh yeah. Now this is the part that always gets everyone. We're going up 30 degrees on the passenger side. We're not going to tip at that low center of gravity. We can actually stop and give it this little shake up here. It's not going anywhere.
Wow. Woo.
And we're in 4-wheel drive low right now to give as much traction as possible. Here we go to the famous hill. We're going 18 feet up, 35 degrees up, 35 back down. And then a really cool feature on the way down is going to be hill descent. I could tap that button right there, take my foot completely off the brake, and it'll go off the braking the entire way down for us. You have a good rest of your day. Oh yeah.
A good time. Thank you.
You're welcome.